car noises. There's no one doing nothing.
All right, so I'm gonna make a video showing how to install these AZA auto trim carbon parts in the 88 to 94 K C1500 pickups. Eventually I'll end up making a video going over everything on this truck. I had started making some of it and putting it together, but I ended up getting a new phone and I lost everything, so I missed the build process for everything that we did to it. But I'm going to start now with just some simple installation of a couple of carbon parts. So yeah, so from my experience, the easiest way to get this piece out is to just kind of pull on bottom, get the clips to release, and then get the head unit to come out, and then you can drop it straight down. That's not too bad. And figure out how the rest of this face comes out and go from there. So I found the easiest way to do that was to just pull the whole head unit out of this piece, just disconnect it from everything. The next thing that has to be done is, in here there's these little springs that have to be pushed in. Push these in and you can pop these vents out, so I can transfer them over into this part. So it's not too bad. A flathead screwdriver, I'll pop the sides out and you can just pull them out and then the whole vent will come out. So I'm using this little pry tool. Just get down in there, pull these releases out, whole thing comes out. Make sure you keep a hold of the spring, that way you can reuse it, but it's pretty simple, nothing too crazy. Pop the spring, bottom top, slides right out. Keep a hold of that. Vent comes right out. All right, so after fighting with everything significantly longer than you probably should end up with something like this. You have to pull the clips off of the original mounting part for the head unit and reuse them. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug all this in, set this back in the dash and see how it looks. I figured while I was at it over here with everything, I'd do this piece real quick. So this one's pretty simple. It's got these two screw holes. Screws go in through here, and then the glove box slides into that piece. So we put this carbon one on. Simple as that. Get the screws. Just like that, that part's done. They offer a carbon fiber glove box lid as well, which I'll probably end up getting at some point, but this is what I have for now. So I've also got one of these parts to replace. I'm not sure how easily it's going to go back on, but it does just slide right into here. So get that on and I'll show you. All right, so after fighting with this is how it looks in. I only used the clip here and here. There's supposed to be one here and one here, but I mean, it's my truck. I'm putting it together so it comes apart easier. And I don't really care about having those two missing clips. It's gonna stay in just fine, so I'm leaving it as that. All right, so now I've got everything plugged back into this. That's reinstalled. Put the head of the radio back on. That's what we got. I've got one last part to install. It's this piece. It goes over here. over on this side of the cluster. So I'm gonna do that off camera, and then I'll get video of it and I'll show you how it looks all put together. All right, and just like that, this piece is in. I did the same thing. I only used 2 of the clips off of this. On this, I put the clip here and the clip over here. So it's in there. It's not going anywhere. But this is all of the carbon fiber parts that I got from them installed. Like I said, they did the glove box lid and this piece too, but this is all I have for now, so yep. Pretty expensive little upgrade, but it's the little things.